Welcome to pre-market report. So on 25th of November 2022. So we have successfully completed November expiry and we are stepping into December expiry from today. So before proceeding further, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get regular updates whenever I'm posting a new video. Yes. Like yesterday, exist Nifty made high about 18,668, and it's like you can say like this previous close and the high is around 18,679. Yes, actually there is a high and low is 18,616 and closed around 650. Now it is trading around 18,618. Okay, our market is closed around 18,484 yesterday, and it looks like almost 100 to 150 points of gap up, and this is very, very important. It will break our all-time high. Sorry, already like our markets are completely bullish as we keep on indicating in our pre-market report. You can see here Nifty started entering into this region as we regularly indicating. So once this particular region is crossed, Nifty may reach 19,000. That is what we are keep on insisting. This will happen possibly by this December expiry. If everything is supports good, then the market may reach 19,000. The next resistance will be on daily time frame. It is 18,797. That is what the next resistance. On crossing this, the Nifty may easily go to 19,000. So as of now, market is like about to breach the all-time high, that is 18,614. Maybe this could reach by this pre-market itself. That is what my expecting. So again, it's like looks like a completely bullish market. Even I will show you the open interest, and this RSI started indicating a bullish move. In case of Banknifty already crosses the region. That is the new all-time high already set. The next resistance for Banknifty will be 43,834 on daily time frame. Okay, so hope you will get a reversal soon, but it should set a fresh high, then it will come back. Okay, but everything looks like a bullish. And if you look at the open interest for the first week of December expiry, you can see complete call option buying. So call option buying, you can see up to 19,300 and even like 19,400 call option also they have bought. Complete call option buying, and they are completely selling the put option. Okay, so similarly in case of Banknifty for the first week of December expiry, you can see again a complete buying up to 45,000. So such a completely bullish market, it is visible. So hope maybe your stocks may recover. Some if it is like some old stocks may recover. So get close your position. Okay, so if at all you are in a good profit, you can close your position, because if the reversal happens like everywhere, like the recession news are there, and so in case of a recession or in case of fall, so you may miss the chance. So that's why, so if you are in a good profit, you can close the position. Okay, so that's all about. So Nifty's today's range will be, if the 18,600 breaks, then 18,700, and I'm expecting some range bound only. Okay, so because you can see the last 1 week or maybe a 10 or 15 days, market is completely range bound. Maybe it is trading around 100 to 150 points in and around. So I'm expecting the same, this range bound to like bullish move. That is what my expectation. And this week will be, market may trade between 18,400 to 18,800. So this is what my expectation this week. Okay, as we indicated last week, so this particular expiry will be between 18,000 to 18,500. That was exactly closed 18,484. So this week I'm expecting in between 18,400 or 300 to 18,800. So okay, hope it will happen. Okay, so in case of Bank Nifty, the next resistance zone will be 43,500, then 44,000. In downside, you can see 42,500 and 42,000. Okay, so that's all. If you like the video, do subscribe our channel and like and share. And like workshop details are given in description. You can make use of it. Thank you, friends.